everyone. Welcome to Amazon Live. I'm Taylor Mock. We'd like to thank you so much for joining us here today. We have DoughEZ, an incredible company that will make your kitchen life that much easier. We have Brenda Byrne, who is the inventor and creator of DoughEZ, here with us in the kitchen here on Amazon Live today. Brenda, I'm so excited to have you in this kitchen. And really, you have to tell everyone how incredible this DoughEZ roll mat system is. And really, I guess the concept behind it all and what made you design it, and I guess the aha moment in the kitchen.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for having us. I'm so excited to be on Amazon Live with our product. I created this because I love to bake, but I hated having the stress and mess of having a messy kitchen.
Yes.
And this really eliminates that. With the kit, you actually get an extra large rolling mat, which is non-stick and non-slip, and 6 guide sticks, which takes the guesswork out of rolling out your dough to the perfect thickness. You'll always have consistent outcomes and you'll never have unevenly baked goods again.
Right.
The kit comes with 6 guide sticks, 2 of which are 1/8 of an inch in thickness, which is perfect for pasta or pastry.
Love that.
Or any accents, as well as the 4 guide sticks that are 1/4 inch in thickness,
right.
Which is perfect for cookies or donuts or other items.
Talk about the control that you are getting back in the kitchen. And like you said, it doesn't just have to be cookies. It could be, the thickness of your pie dough, the thickness of your pizza dough. The list goes on and on. Even your pasta. Whether it's angel hair, the flatter, thinner noodles, or the thicker noodles, this is really going to help you in the kitchen, and you can utilize these with anything in the kitchen. All right, so show me how this works. I'm so excited. I gotta tell you though, I just bought mine, and I'm loving life. I don't even know what I was doing without it to begin with.
Today we're making pizza, and we also use our circle guides and measures to go ahead and do so.
Oh, yes,
we have 14-inch, 12-inch, and 9-inch, which are perfect for pizza or your pie dough, and tortillas as well.
Oh,
today
I didn't think
we're
about
going to go ahead and use the 12-inch mat.
Wonderful. So just like that, you're going to close it.
Correct. We'll go ahead and
you're using that DoughEZ rolling pin. This is one of my favorites. It's made of that silicone, easy cleanup. And I see that it's not sticking.
Correct.
It's easy rolling, so you're not having to, long gone are those days where you're putting the elbow work in it, right, as you're rolling it out.
Since it's non-slip, you're not going to have it slip and sliding all over your countertop.
Oh yes, that's the struggle.
It is flexible, so you go ahead and turn that just like that.
And you can see how Brenda is starting to eye the size and measurement that she's looking for. Okay. If you just scroll down, check out that carousel below for all the products. That DoughEZ mat is only $39.99. Will come with those guide sticks as well for the thickness. So make sure you scroll down on the carousel for that. Okay.
And what we love about this too is that since you're actually rolling that dough inside those 2 surfaces, it's not going to fight it in retracting when you're making pizza.
Right.
I like to go ahead and actually leave it in here while I'm heating up my pizza stone or my pizza pan.
That's smart, because it's not rising because it's closed,
exactly,
right?
And it's not
Love
constricting.
that.
And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just simply go ahead and peel that back.
Look at the ease off of that. There is no residue whatsoever on this mat. You can see how clean that is. Great, great.
And then we'll go ahead and today we're going to go ahead and use our pizza pan.
Love this pan. This is incredible.
Fabulous.
All right, so tell us exactly, why it's different and really just the benefits of using this pan.
Well, it's micro perforated, so for even airflow, and it enables it. It promotes even baking throughout, and it also has a metal ring inside of it, so that, it's not flimsy. So you have more stability when you're taking it out of the oven.
Right. Excellent. Yeah, and you can see, just like she said, this is going to help crispify, that bottom of that pizza pan. All right, so show me how I want to know how you're going to transfer that to here.
Sure.
Without making a mess.
And we'll simply go ahead and you can even put your hot pizza stone on the mat as well. But we'll go ahead and transfer that directly to our pan.
Look
and you
how
simply go ahead
easy.
and hover that over, and then just peel that back just like so.
Look
and then
at
you can go ahead
that.
and proceed to go ahead and
put your toppings on. Okay,
your
so
toppings.
that literally took about 1 minute for you to roll out your dough and transfer it over to that pizza pan. Once again, check out that carousel. That pizza pan's only $12.99. It's incredible, something you have to have in your kitchen. I mean, really, this is a quick dinner. This is for those busy moms, those busy individuals who are in the kitchen, and as bad as they want to make a homemade pizza, they just don't have time to get out everything and sit there and roll forever to make that perfect size. They're not sure how big the dough is. You can choose your toppings. So DoughEZ is already making your cooking life easier. When I say cooking, it's not just for baking.
That's correct.
Here we are making dinner, and you've done this under 3 minutes.
Yep.
Wow.
It's that simple.
And you're gonna put it in the oven.
And
now,
put this
what's
in the oven.
what is it? 450?
Yep.
450. 450 degrees that
And we've
pizza
got one
pan
here.
heats up to. Oh, look, you have got to see this pizza. It is incredible. Now, of course, we've got to show the finished product. Beautiful, cheesy, but most importantly, check out that crisp on the edge. That is that metal wire that you're gonna have as the formated right around the pan that's gonna hold that pizza, especially making it easy when you take it out of the oven. Brenda, great job.
Thank you.
Excellent.
All these items are dishwasher safe.
Oh, I
and
love it.
Microwavable. You can place them in the freezer and in the oven for 450.
So you're telling me I make my pizza, put some saran wrap over it, put this whole thing, it's hot now, but put this whole thing in the freezer, and the next day I could just put it in the oven.
That's
I can
correct.
make multiple. That is really neat. -40, it can go in the freezer, and putting it in the oven up to 450 degrees. Once again, check out that carousel below. That pizza pan's only $12.99 in the DoughEZ mat. That is Brenda's baby for only $39.99. You're gonna get those easy guide sticks as well as a free downloadable recipe ebook, which Brenda has got some pretty awesome recipes to check out. All right, you're doing something next. What is it? I'm already hungry again.
We're actually going to be doing our
Pie.
apple pie.
Yes. Okay. As Brenda is bringing over this pie, look, you've already prepped it.
And
Wonderful.
what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and complete the top
Oh,
part of
perfect.
the pie.
Apple
Apples.
pie.
Yep, we love it.
It's like you
can
really
use
know
any
my
flavor.
soul. You know my favorite dessert is apple
Well, I
pie.
heard it was your favorite.
You're the best. Okay, so the way you're making it easy is by using, once again, this easy dough roll mat system. And you're not only using it as the base of this dish, but the topping as well.
Correct. And then our dish itself, it has a tempered glass bottom.
Yes.
And a silicone rim that comes off.
Yes.
And we can show you that in a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me go
Move
ahead
this over
and
here.
finish rolling this out.
And you're doing the same thing you would as your pizza crust. You're doing
Right.
it with your pie. And you're utilizing that measurement on this DoughEZ rolling mat. Now, how big are you making this pie?
I'm going to do it, roll it out to about 12 inches.
And is
simply
that just to
because
kind of play
it's
with the
cover.
crust?
Yeah, that way we'll have a little bit of extra space to go ahead and crimp the edges.
Wonderful.
And then what we want to do is, again, simply go ahead and peel this back just like that.
Once again, check out, there's absolutely, I mean, nothing on here other than maybe a little, you know, you could see the grease residue from the dough itself, but there is nothing that you have to really clean up.
No, it simply washes down with warm soapy water.
Yes.
And what I like to do is I'll go ahead and place it on my oven door to dry before I roll it up and put it away.
Yes, I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do my duties of bringing this pie over to you. Here we go.
Thank you. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and simply go ahead and,
Beautiful.
since it's symmetrical, when you lay it just like that, it's right over that center of that pie. You just go ahead and start it. And let it
look
fall
at
right
that
into
easy
place.
peel. I
just
mean,
like that. You can go ahead and proceed with crimping your edges.
Doing it whatever you want. And this, if you're a latticer, I say latticer, I love to lattice my pies.
Yep.
This makes it much easier.
And build it directly on the mat. And
Wonderful.
then flip it over and then just cut around the edges.
Oh my goodness, I just love that so much, Brenda. I gotta say, you're really a genius when it comes to this system, and the fact that she just made this pie in under, what, 3-4 minutes, and now you're gonna put it in the oven.
It's very quick and easy.
I've gotta see the finished product, but I gotta tell you, I kind of already saw the finished product because I snuck a slice earlier.
And we have that right here.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, y'all take
You'll
that.
have a beautiful
let me
pie.
take this out of the way for you, because I want the pie now. Wonderful.
And it comes out just.
Oh, look how beautiful. Wow. I mean, and you can see, we gotta cut this pie. As you can see, we've already showed the slice itself, but I do want to show you, as Brenda mentioned, this is all about that tempered glass bottom. And what that means, it's going to allow for even heating throughout the pan, not allowing anything to stick, and that includes your dough at the bottom. So I've already cut a slice earlier. I know, I couldn't help it, Miss Brenda.
Okay.
I just couldn't. We're gonna cut another slice because we want to show you the precision in this pie pan and the fact that that tempered glass really is an incredible benefit.
And since it's flexible, you can get that first slice out every time.
Yes. Look, I already got my plate ready again.
And we call this oven to table ready.
Oven to table ready.
So that you can take this pie right out of the oven, and the silicone rim will go ahead and
just peel back.
Peel back.
Look at that.
And cool very easily. And then just remove the rim.
Wow.
And then you can serve it directly on the pie plate.
That is genius, because think about the disaster. Oh, let me get my plate for you. The disaster happens when the transfer is happening, right?
Like
when you're
that.
pulling it from another pan onto a serving platter such as this.
Just like that.
Look at that. Cleanliness of that tempered glass. There are no sticking whatsoever. You don't have to add that extra butter or that extra oil to the pan, because that's what the tempered glass is for. It's utilizing that even heat conductivity. It's not allowing for those burnt bottoms. Absolutely genius, Brenda. Really is. If you're interested in this pie pan, I highly encourage you to grab this. It's only $12.99. Really, it's an investment in your kitchen. You will never go back to any other pie pan, I can promise you that. With its easy silicone, bendable and pullable edge that allows for that easy, perfect precision on the rim, and of course, that tempered glass that will allow for even heating, will not stick to the bottom. Remember, check out the carousel below. It's an easy clickable link for that pie pan. Once again, it's only $12.99. And once again, this easy dough rolling mat system is incredible. At only $39.99, you're getting those precision, you're getting those sticks. You're also getting that free downloadable ebook courtesy of Brenda Byrne and DoughEZ. I already see you making something else. I mean,
we have one last item to make.
I cannot wait to see.
Couldn't resist
Okay.
not showing you how we make our Lindsay charts.
Wow, beautiful.
We love making cookies, especially around the holidays, and this will actually cut down in your time in almost half.
Okay.
By selecting your guide sticks, you'll never have to worry about uneven baking.
I love that.
As well. And I use the 1/4-inch guide sticks just for cookies. And I'll place them equal distance apart on top of the mat. No greater distance than the width of the rolling pin, because you're going to want to go ahead
That makes
and make
sense.
sure that that's together.
Right.
I simply cover that up.
Now I want to see how long this takes, because you should see me at home before I had this mat. Rolling out the dough itself is the battle.
Right.
Not to mention the mess everywhere and how much dough or how much flour you have to use in order to roll out the dough.
I simply press down until you hit those guide sticks, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and just release that just to make sure that it's not sticking.
Sure.
And depending on your dough, you may need a little bit of flour added to that surface.
Wow.
From there, you go ahead. Once you hit those sticks, you're really just rolling right along just like that.
Look at that. You're barely putting any work into it.
Once, twice, couple of swipes.
Oh my goodness.
And then peel that back, and they're done.
Beautiful.
Cut out your shapes.
I love those shapes.
And since it's flexible, I can go ahead and easily
I was just about to ask how you're going to transfer that.
Peel that.
Look at
Either take off the excess.
How
just like that.
Easy. You know, Brenda, this is really for anybody.
Yes.
Anybody. You don't have to be a professional baker in order to use this easy dough mat rolling system. And then from there, of course, you're just going to pop it onto your cookie sheet.
No more guesswork on
The
even thickness.
I love it.
And it's so easy that even I have a 5-year-old that will roll out dough just like mom.
Oh, I love it. So bring the kiddos in with you because I know it can be stressful baking. And you know, part of the fun is bringing in your family and you kind of miss out on that after a little bit because you get stressed out about, you know, cleaning it. And of course you're going to put this in the oven.
Yep.
And then I have got to see the finished product on these. As you can see, Brenda really did this so fast and with such ease and of course precision. All right, I'm going to show you just like that. This is the finished product. Absolutely beautiful cookies. I've got to ask Brenda, how long did it take from start to finish?
I would say no longer than 30 minutes from start time, rolling out the dough and
No
decorating
stress.
it. Correct.
And you had fun.
Yep.
And of course the cleanup. How long did the cleanup take?
Just wipe it down with warm soapy water and you're done. Dry it thoroughly before you roll it up and put it away.
So remember, you can utilize this rolling mat from DoughEZ in several ways. Don't think about it as just baking with it. Make a pizza, a homemade pizza. Make your homemade pasta. Everybody loves homemade pasta.
Pierogies, we do
pierogies.
empanadas, tortillas.
Oh, she's speaking my language here. And it's
sweets.
just easy effort.
Yep.
And you really were genius to make this in the guide sticks as well you receive. And don't forget, you're also going to get the free downloadable ebook when you purchase that DoughEZ roll mat system. That's a treat in itself. Brenda's got some really special recipes, including that beautiful apple pie that you saw in that pie pan. Once again, if you're just tuning in, just check out the carousel right below for those products, courtesy of DoughEZ, that DoughEZ rolling mat system, just $39.99. The rolling pin, that easy effort, same made silicone rolling pin, doesn't stick. Easy cleanup for only $24.99, as well as the pie pan that you saw when we made that incredible pizza in just a jiff for only $12.99. And last but certainly not least, that was the pizza pan you saw, and then we've got the pie pan as well for $12.99 with incredible homemade apple pie. Brenda, thank you so much for joining us. It's really been so much fun in the DoughEZ kitchen. We want to make your life easier. Get back to the family. Bring them on in the kitchen. Have fun. Don't have as much cleanup as you normally do. And remember, check out Miss Brenda Byrne here because she really is one smart cookie and an inventor. DoughEZ, this is how we roll.
Thank you.